Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the display quality between the Poco X2 versus the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So if you are wondering why I'm doing all the display comparison, because in the Poco X2 device, you got the special feature where you can increase the color saturation levels and contrast levels. So that's why I thought of doing another video demonstrating you how much will it be affecting if you're changing few settings in the Poco X2 device. So right now you can see, your friends, I am playing the same video in both the phones, but you can find the brightness in the Poco X2 is quite higher than the Redmi Note 8 Pro device, even though I keep the higher brightness in the Note 8 Pro as well. So as you can see here, the brightness looks very bright, and colors look very saturated, and contrast levels are very high, as you can see, your friends, clearly. And let me explain you how you can do in the Poco X2 but you cannot do in the Redmi Note 8 Pro device, because this option is not present in the Note 8 Pro phone. So let's get started with this video, and I'll be explaining you, friends, this is what the advantage which makes the Poco X2 unique from the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So first you need to go to the security here, and then you need to select the game speed booster, and then you need to go to the advanced settings. So before going to the advanced settings, you need to click plus, and you need to add the MX Player application as a game. So in this way you can add the Netflix or Amazon Prime or YouTube or any application if you want to enhance a little bit of colors. So then you need to select the additional settings. So here you need to select the MX Player, and now you can change the settings enhance visual to the extreme. So in this way you will get a very good experience, friends. So just imagine if you're using the normal colors, this is how it looks, and if you're using extreme colors, this is how it looks. So overall, friends, I don't recommend to use the extreme, but maybe you can use a moderate or strong, because if you use the extreme colors, the colors look more animated as well sometimes. So now let me use the normal colors, and let me compare side by side right now, again the same video which I am playing in the background. So let me play at the same time both videos so that you can understand clearly, friends. So these are the normal settings right now in the Poco X2 device. So you cannot see much improvement in terms of the color saturation levels and brightness levels. So both look pretty close to each other. So you can see here clearly, both are pretty same. So now if I use the extreme settings, the things will get very different. So this is what it makes the unique in the Poco X2 phone, friends. So maybe in the future, if the Redmi decided to give the update in the Note 8 Pro device, then definitely yes, even the display in the Redmi Note 8 Pro also get increased in terms of the color saturation levels and contrast levels. So overall, friends, if in this option makes the Poco X2 the clear winner in this device. So I used to wondering that why the Poco did not include the AMOLED panel in the phone, but now with this option I don't even think about the AMOLED panel, because by using these few settings you can still increase the colors and contrast levels. I know it cannot replace the AMOLED panel, but still, at least nothing is better than something. Sorry, something is better than nothing. And that's it for this video, friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, friends. Don't forget to like this video. Bye.